So once you have bought the land or shop, you can keep them on rent, and once it's on rent, they will be paying you monthly basis, and you just have to slip. So yes, you have to work in starting.
Yes guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to set passive income, and we're going to be talking about what is passive income and what it is, how it's going to be, like all these things. How you all doing? So please subscribe my channel, like my video, and please make sure you watch the video by the end, otherwise you won't understand what I'm trying to say. So watch this video by the end. Let's continue. But before I start talking about passive income, I must talk about all those motherfuckers who in YouTube, in Facebook or in TikTok, like I watch 1,000 video in a TikTok, then 800 out of them gonna be about, how to set passive income, do this, Amazon affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency or the share market and all these things. I don't understand. They are talking about all these things to us is exactly like I'm gonna be talking about cryptocurrency to one farmer. Okay, how the hell he gonna know about what the Amazon affiliate marketing is? And by the way, before we talk about Amazon affiliate marketing, how it works, let me tell you that if you have fan following that is strong in your TikTok, in your Facebook, only then somebody gonna buy that product from your link. So how it happens, like you promoting or you doing advertisement of Amazon product in your Facebook page or in your TikTok page or your Instagram page, and when somebody gonna click on your page and buy that product from your link, only then you get commission. So in order for you to set passive income in Amazon affiliate marketing, or to do this, you have to have that fan following, you have to have that strong, it means you have to be famous. So this thing, Amazon affiliate marketing, we cannot do it. Only those who are famous, they can do it. Okay, when I talk about passive income, I'm gonna give you that way which everyone can do it, and I'm not going to be talking about those cryptocurrency and those Amazon affiliate marketing, those complicated talk that people don't usually understand how this works and they just speak it out. But for me, when I'm making a video, as much as my intention is to make this video, my intention is to get you all understood what it really is. It's not just, I'm speaking it and you're not even getting any lesson. Then what the fuck I'm making video for, isn't it? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the real way, and the reason I decided to make video about passive income, because passive income is the only one way that all of you, those who have any dream, like you have dream of singing or dancing or acting or modeling, whatever dream you have, you cannot achieve your dream unless you have passive income. Because as long as you have been working for money, you never will have time for yourself to do something for yourself. How the hell you gonna chase your dream? Because chasing dream gonna be very lonely, very long, and very full of occupation. Means your time gonna be completely occupied. You won't have time. You won't have enough time to do job for money and then do struggle for your dream. So you have to have that passive income, that even though you're sleeping, some money is coming in your pocket from somewhere. Only then you can focus on your dream. So the real reason, because we all are trying to achieve our dream. Okay, means we come from middle class families. Let's not talk about those motherfucker, rich kids. Okay, those who get money from their parent and they talk about motivation or all these things. I'm talking about fact. If you have some dream, still you cannot follow your dream. Do you know why? Because 97% of world population, okay, we all are in middle class, okay, and some below than that. The reason we cannot follow our dream, because of our responsibility and because of our boundness. The passive income I'm gonna tell you is very simple. The one I'm telling you, you don't have to be smart for this, you don't have to be famous for this, you just have to be passionate about your dream. If you really not running after your dream just because you have responsibility of taking care of your wife or kid or family, then this is for you. So this works like that. You have to work 2 years, 3 years, 4 years completely all the way. You have to be completely stingy, cheap, and save all the money. Okay, once you have saved the money, then I'll say buy one shop or buy one land. So once you have bought the land or shop, you can keep them on rent, and once it's on rent, they will be paying you monthly basis, and you just have to sleep. So yes, you have to work in starting, you have to work your ass off, but it just for me, if you have to work for a couple years too much for rest of your year to make them smoothly, that you can earn money without effort. So I don't think so that it's a bad deal. You have to work for few years to make your rest of year completely tension free. So I don't think so that it's a bad deal. Just work for some year, collect that money, invest that money in any shop, in any cheap home, just buy them, just put them on rent, and once that monthly income will be coming from there, then just limit the expenses of your family, and you're gonna be completely out of the responsibility, and then you can do something. When you have too much pressure on yourself, then you cannot follow your dream. Suppose you're trying to be model, or you're trying to be something, you're chasing your dream, and you have a pressure of your kids' school fees, your wife expenses, your home expenses, then how long you think that you can still be lasting? How long do you think that you can last following a dream with the pressure? Some point you're gonna give up, right? So that's what I'm saying. In order for you to not give up on your dream, you have to have one passive income. Listen, passive income works like why do you think all this rich kid, they get so successful in life? Do you know why? Because when we work on something with too much focus, without any pressure, without any interfering, only then we can bring best out of us. So when you have passive income is exactly like rich father. Like suppose you have passive income, you don't have to work for money, and money is coming in your pocket. So it's like a rich father is saying to you that, kid, just you go, just follow your dream, I'll be giving you money. Just think how good that will be, that you have a passive income, you don't have to work for your money is coming. Because if you have a pressure on your mind that how to make your family eat, how to feed your family, or how to, simply I'm saying, if you have a pressure on your mind, then with that pressure you cannot go further in that life. Some point you're gonna give up. I don't want that. So if you really, that's how I'm relating this passive income with your dream achieving. If you have a passive income, then there is a higher chance that you're gonna be giving your long time in that field. You're gonna be struggling, you're not gonna be giving up, and you know very well when you don't give up in one field, then eventually you have to be successful. So in order for you to be successful, in order for you to achieve your dream, you have to have one passive income. And this passive income is not like Amazon affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency and share marketing. There's nothing like that. Even stupid can do that. Buy some land and give to farmers. They will do farming. They will be giving you money. Buy some shop. Somebody will be running that shop. They will be giving you money. Or simply buy one vehicle, put them on rent. They will be paying you rent. You don't have to do anything. So this is for me passive income. Passive income is all about you sleep and money comes in your pocket. What else we need? Do this. Don't be confused about Amazon and this TikTok and all this blah blah blah. This is something you can do it. This is something you must do it if you want to be financially free. As long as you are working for money, you will never have time for yourself to do something what you want. If you really want to follow your dream, or you want to spend your time with your loved one, with your family, you want to give time to your kid or old parent, so passive income is the only one way that you can be financially free and you can do whatever the hell you want. Guys, so I hope you understood what you have to do, and that's all I had to say. Just follow me, subscribe my channel. Just subscribe. That's all I want to say. No matter how much I will say, I don't know. Subscribe my channel, like my video, and that's all.